to protect the components of the vehicle. And now I'm going to push that in there. And I purchased these tools and a heat gun. I have it on a lower setting, and I'm going to apply. Some of it came off already. And I'm doing this outside, of course, not in the garage.
What is the problem?
Stuck dipstick. The mechanics broke the head off because it was a seized dipstick. So my daughter suggested cardboard, and I'm going to try that. So I actually put in 2 holes here to protect the components of the vehicle. And now I'm going to push that in there. And I purchased these tools and a heat gun. I have it on a lower setting. And I'm going to apply. Some of it came off already. And I'm doing this outside, of course, not in the garage. First time I did it, I applied it for 2 minutes. So we're going to do another 2 minutes. And I think part of the O-ring came off.
Okay, it's been 3 minutes. What are you doing now?
I'm just trying to pick this. See, some of it's coming out here. This little piece. Oops. Just, I don't want it to stay there. I don't know if that hole is from when the mechanics or the top broke off. This part I'm scraping around where this black is, I think is from where the O-ring was, or one of the O-rings from the dipstick. I don't want to try the higher setting yet, because I'm afraid. It is getting soft though. So that's good.
Yeah, it's moving.
It did?
Oh, that's good. It's on a diagonal. See?
Yeah.
Heat protectant gloves.
Yeah.
Next time.
Yep. There should be no next time. I hope not. Okay, let me do the heat again.
So you're going back to the heat gun for how many minutes?
Another 3.
Another 3 minutes.
Yep. And I need a smaller flathead screwdriver.
No, we don't have that.
Break. Now this, I'm going to try, now that it's moving.
So it's been 3 minutes with the heat gun. Now you're wibble wobbling it.
Yep. But now the orange part is moving. If I can get it to move all around, that'd be great. Now see, moving a little bit more, but that's just the top. I don't want it to separate. Just want to make some room.
Looks like it's going down lower. I'm
Is
not
it?
sure.
No.
That's just my eyeballs.
You have on your sunglasses. Alright. I can pull it out this way. Is it moving? I can't really tell.
No.
No? Okay, hold on. Only that one side. I could heat it again.
And we're going back to the heat for 3 minutes.
Yeah, we're gonna try the heat.
So we'll heat it up and come back. Alright, so now the screw is in. We're going to try heating it up. And then, again, and then pulling it out by a magnet.
With the screw in it.
Obviously.
Still on low setting.
Still on low setting.
I think I need a plier.
Okay, so how long are we going to heat this up for?
What time do we start? Another 4 minutes, see what happens?
Okay, so we'll be back in 4. Okay, so there's been some development. Hold on, let me get myself situated. Okay, goodness. All right. Tell us what's happening.
Okay, I put the heat gun on again
For how long?
for about 5 minutes.
On a higher setting, correct?
First low and then high. High for maybe 4 minutes. Low for 1 minute.
Alright, so what's happening
And
now?
then I went around it with this tool that I have now that I'm holding. And I just went around the circumference of it, I guess it's called. And I tried to wedge it out like
And now
that.
it's slipped.
So now it's slipped in, but I don't want it to go all the way in.
So we need to extract it, hopefully.
Right, because it went down. So now I want to bring it back up. So I'm going to need your assistance. So we have to pause.
So I didn't plan on helping, so here we go.
Oh my God.
This isn't going to
Can
work
you
with
see?
my nails. No.
Okay, let me see.
All right, so
I'm trying this tool right
trying
here.
it. My talons were impeding the process.
Oh, I got to bring it up. Come on, baby. Oh,
Smells
the
like
other one
rain.
came out. Oh, come on. Let's see. My nails need doing.
Okay. All right, so we can't see anything right now. She's just
I'm trying to pry it back up.
trying to pry it back up.
Okay.
Is it moving?
No.
Oh shit!
It's stuck in there, see?
Get the nail.
I will. I'll try the nail now.
Oop! Oh, there we are. There it is. Hello. All right. Oh, the screw is on.
Yes, and I put the screw in and then I pulled it up now. But it's not all the way out.
But it is almost. There's movement.
Yes.
So what is the next step? You can't post all the way up, huh?
I'm going to try to heat it again with the screw in it so I won't lose it. Let me do that now. And then I'll try to pry it out with the screw on it. You understand what I'm saying?
Sure.
Okay. No, you don't. And this is the wrong screwdriver.
Okay.
I'm going to try it with the heat gun. On low. First. You timing?
Yep.
How long are you going to do this for? I'm going to do this for maybe a minute. And then I'll do 3 minutes on high. And then try to pull it out.
Okay. We'll be back and forth.
We have some movement, see? Can you you see that.
Oh yeah, we do.
Yes. So now the thing is, if I twist this
I would want
in
to hurry
deeper,
up so it doesn't cool.
yes, I know. I'm gonna have to try and heat it up again, I think. But I'm trying to twist it and it keeps.
Maybe it doesn't
see?
go deeper because now it's hitting the metal part of the stick.
Ah, that could be. Ah! Don't you dare! Come back here. Okay.
All right, so what's next?
Now, I think I'm going to heat it again. I think. Yeah, because it keeps popping when I turn it on.
All right, so we're going to heat it again for how long?
I don't know. I think we should heat it this way, and then I'll try the plier. I mean, to pry it back up. Is this how I had it? I think so. Oops.
For how long?
Probably about another 4 or 5 minutes.
Okay,
Low and high.
See you in 4,
right.
low and high. All right, so we heated it up. She heated it up for 4 minutes. High, low heat, hot heat, or high heat. And now, she's trying to pull this out. I say we, I mean she, not me. Is anything happening?
No. It's just wiggling around.
So why did it go down but not up?
I don't know. Let's try this again.
Heat it?
Yeah, heat it and then heat it again. And then you pull as I heat. Or you can heat and I pull.
Okay. We'll try that.
It is 4.
Okay, it's been a couple of more minutes than 4.
I didn't have to reheat it, but I tried prying it with this and I used this plier.
It was a
instead.
wibble wobble.
And then I had to go like this, like that. And then I just took this and it came right out.
So it's out, people.
Yay!
Huzzah!